In a quiet terraced house, the Miller family was waking up, unaware that a new kind of intelligence was quietly reshaping their world. Young Lily asked her smart speaker, "What's the weather like on Mars today?" And it answered, instantly. Her father's car gently corrected itself on the road, a silent guardian at the wheel. Down the street, Mrs. Higgins learned a new language with an app that never tired, always patient. At school, Sam's learning program adapted to his struggles, offering new ways to understand algebra. These were small wonders, woven into daily life, a reflection of our own questing minds. The Millers called it the app or the smart speaker, but it was all powered by artificial intelligence. From traffic lights that adapt to cars to doctors spotting illness early with smart scans, AI was everywhere, quietly transforming routines. The change was subtle, like the slow turning of a planet, but profound. A digital whisper, promising a future we're all stepping into, right now. The revolution had begun, not with a bang, but with the soft hum of a processor. So what is artificial intelligence? Strip away the sci-fi. It's simply machines performing tasks that once needed human intelligence. AI learns from data, millions of images, texts, or sounds, spotting patterns and making decisions. It's not magic, but mathematics and data repeated at lightning speed. Unlike a calculator which only follows instructions, AI adapts and improves like a brilliant student. When Lily asks about Mars, the AI understands her words, searches vast databases, and crafts a natural answer. It listens, understands, searches and communicates, a chain of intelligent actions. AI isn't a single entity, but a collection of techniques that let machines simulate, and sometimes exceed our abilities in specific domains. It's a mirror, reflecting and amplifying our intelligence across the universe of data. The goal isn't consciousness, but powerful tools to augment our minds. AI is everywhere, quietly learning, always evolving. It's the cosmic spark behind the scenes, and it's just getting started. Back at the Miller house, AI is everywhere, managing the fridge, adding milk to the shopping list, suggesting recipes to reduce waste. In Sam's classroom, history comes alive with AI-powered virtual tours, tailored to his curiosity. At the hospital, Lily's grandmother's doctor uses AI to spot subtle patterns in scans, catching health issues early. AI doesn't replace people, it empowers them, acting as a tireless partner. From homes to schools to hospitals, AI is becoming as fundamental as electricity. It powers navigation, recommends music, and protects our finances. Each application is a star in a growing constellation, quietly illuminating a new path. The world is more connected, efficient, and responsive thanks to AI. These changes are often invisible, but their impact is profound. The future is already here, woven into our daily lives. The benefits of AI shine brightly, especially in accessibility. Voice assistants help people with mobility challenges control their environment. Real-time captioning and translation break down barriers for the deaf and for those speaking different languages. AI empowers, making the world more inclusive. In agriculture, AI-guided drones help farmers use resources efficiently, boosting yields and reducing waste. In cities, AI optimizes traffic and manages power grids, making life smoother and greener. Scientists use AI to sift through massive data sets, accelerating discoveries in genetics, climate, and astronomy. By automating routine tasks, AI gives us back time to create, learn, and connect. Artists, musicians, and entrepreneurs use AI to amplify creativity and innovation. AI is our co-pilot, helping us dream bigger and tackle greater challenges. It's a tool to unlock human potential. But this journey isn't without challenges. AI can inherit and amplify human biases if we're not careful with the data we feed it. Job displacement is real. AI can automate tasks, changing the nature of work. We must invest in education and retraining, ensuring AI augments, not replaces human labor. Privacy is critical, our data powers AI, but we need strong protections and transparency. Trust in AI starts with respecting individual rights. Accountability is key when AI makes decisions. We must know who's responsible. These aren't just technical issues, but ethical and societal ones. Engineers, ethicists, policymakers, and the public must work together. Only then can we steer AI toward a future that benefits everyone.